everybody! We are planting carrots out in the garden today on this beautiful, almost spring day. We like to grow carrots because they are so much fun, especially for the kids. They love to dig. It's kind of like a, I don't know, they love digging for things in the garden.
Like an Easter egg hunt.
Yeah, it's like an Easter egg hunt for them. Especially the rainbow varieties. Those are fun because they're a bunch of different colors. Carrots can be a little challenging in the very beginning. It's important to make sure that you keep the soil very moist while they're germinating. Hey! It's also important to make sure that you keep them clear of pests like dogs too, right? You can keep them covered with burlap, and that helps to keep them moist, and it also helps to keep birds off of them as well too. Although each variety is different, most varieties will be ready to harvest within about 2 to 4 months. Carrots are one of the things that you can never grow too much of. It is so great to have in the garden, and we eat it all the time in the house. So we like to fill up any extra space that we have in our garden too with the carrots. Carrots don't really have a lot of pests compared to other plants that we grow. The main issue that you might see is the carrot rust fly. But I mean, you can see how to handle it in our app, but usually we just back down on watering quite as much, and once they sprout, and then, you know, once or twice a week, and then that fixes it. Carrots don't really require a lot of fertilizer. In this bed right here, we just have a bunch of compost added into it. And we also had a soil test that we did not too long ago, and it showed that our phosphorus levels were fine, but you may want to do a phosphorus test just to make sure that your levels are good. So, companion planting. Carrots are really good with peas, and we actually just planted peas along this trellis area right here too, and they go really well together, as well as other greens. We have some kale and broccoli scattered around as well, so all of those do really well together. So carrots are planted, I guess. Sorry. Carrots are planted 16 per square foot. And we have the seeding square here, which actually makes it a lot easier for us and with our kids too, to help know exactly where to plant. So what we do is we all everywhere in these red markers, that's what indicates the 16 per square foot. So we go through and we put at least like 2, maybe 3 seeds in each hole, just to make sure that something will germinate in that hole. And then once they sprout, we start to thin them down and get to just 1 plant per hole.